In this video, I'll teach you how to withdraw money from Testerup. First of all, you need to reach the minimum payout threshold. So you need to have at least $70 in your Testerup balance before you can cash out. Then you need to link your PayPal account to Testerup. So you need to go to the payment section in the Testerup app or website, and there you need to link your PayPal details. And there is important note, only PayPal works, no Cash App, no Venmo or Apple Pay. Then you can request payout. Once you have linked the PayPal, click to withdraw your earnings. Money will be sent to your PayPal wallet. After that, you need to wait. Payments usually take up to 48 hours, and many users report receiving them within 1 to 5 days. Respect the limits. Max payout is $250 per transaction. If you earn more, you will need to multiply withdrawals. Troubleshooting: if you face verification issues, face check, glitches, etc., contact the support. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.